for Nordic market and for harsh winter conditions globally. There are two kinds of winter tires, studded and non-studded. It may be hard to decide between these two, especially when the winter weather can be very unpredictable. Both tire types are suitable for winter weather as long as they are of good quality and designed for their intended usage conditions. Studded tires provide additional safety for cars with no stability control and for drivers who are unsure about their skills. Non-studded tires can be fitted early in the autumn and used well into the spring. Furthermore, non-studded tires offer less rolling noise and lower rolling resistance than similar studded tires. When choosing tires, you should stop and think about how you drive, what you drive, and where you drive. Tire dealers and independent tire tests can assist you if necessary.